Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation titled Intelligence Unbound. We're going to explore how harnessing real-time AI and machine learning can lead to transformative business insights. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the latest advancements, practical applications, and how these technologies are reshaping the way we operate and make decisions. So, let's get started and dive into the world of intelligent innovation. Welcome to the next part of our discussion on the analytics revolution with Microsoft Fabric. Here, we're focusing on the transformative impact this technology is having right now. This isn't just a future concept. It's happening today, and it's directly influencing how marketing strategies are developed and executed. With Microsoft Fabric, the changes are immediate. One of the key benefits is the ability to deliver instant recommendations right where the data resides. This means marketers can act faster and make smarter decisions without delays. Another exciting development is real-time customer segmentation. Instead of waiting months to understand different customer groups, analysts can now get insights instantly. Microsoft Fabric seamlessly integrates AI and machine learning directly into data workflows, enabling this rapid analysis. Overall, this shift empowers us to be more agile, responsive, and proactive in our marketing efforts. It's about turning data into action instantly, transforming the way we connect with our customers and optimize our strategies. So, on this slide, we're really illustrating the transformation that Microsoft Fabric has brought to data and analytics. Before Microsoft Fabric, our customer segments were often months old, meaning we were working with outdated insights that limited our ability to act quickly. Models back then were clunky and offline, making it difficult to get real-time value from data. Our workflows were disconnected, so data movement and analysis were often fragmented and slow. Model deployment was manual and slow, which added a lot of delays in delivering insights and actions. Now, after Microsoft Fabric, things look very different. We have real-time recommendations that drive immediate action, enabling us to respond swiftly to changing conditions. The integrated machine learning tooling streamlines the entire development process, making it easier and faster to build, train, and deploy models. With a unified data and AI platform, silos are broken down, so data flows seamlessly across teams and tools, fostering collaboration and efficiency. Automation of intelligence accelerates business outcomes, reducing manual effort and speeding up decision-making. This transformation aligns perfectly with our overall theme, showing how Microsoft Fabric is revolutionizing analytics and empowering organizations to act faster, smarter, and more cohesively. Now, let's take a closer look at the analytics revolution with Microsoft Fabric. As you can see, innovation cycles are speeding up thanks to integrated workflows. This means we can move from insights to action much more quickly, which directly drives measurable business results. The idea is to accelerate innovation and gain insights faster, helping organizations stay ahead in a competitive landscape. One of the key points here is that silos, those barriers between teams and tools, are being broken down. This creates a more seamless, collaborative environment where data flows freely. Additionally, AI and machine learning are embedded directly into data pipelines, making advanced analytics an integral part of the process rather than an afterthought. All of this is made possible through Microsoft Fabric, which unites data engineering and AI into a single, unified platform. This integration unlocks unprecedented value, allowing organizations to leverage their data more effectively and innovate at a faster pace. It's really about transforming how we work with data and AI, breaking down barriers, and creating a more agile, insightful future. Let's explore how Microsoft Fabric is revolutionizing analytics by scaling cognitive intelligence through Azure Cognitive Services. These services are now embedded directly into data flows and pipelines, making AI more accessible and seamless within your data processes. This means you can enrich your data with AI capabilities without needing separate tools or complex integrations. Moving beyond simple prototypes, Fabric enables automated pipelines that handle everything from training and validation to deployment, scoring, and ongoing monitoring. This automation simplifies operationalizing machine learning, so models can be continuously refined and utilized effectively in real-time scenarios. And speaking of operationalizing, Fabric allows you to build, train, and deploy models right where your data resides, using notebooks and lakehouse integration. This tight integration reduces data movement, accelerates workflows, and makes ML development much more efficient. All of these elements come together under the umbrella of the three pillars of Fabric AI: unified ML development, operationalized ML, and AI enrichment. Together, they form a comprehensive framework that empowers you to embed intelligent capabilities deeply into your analytics environment, driving better insights and smarter decision-making. Let's talk about unified ML development, building models right where your data lives. This approach really transforms how we work, making the entire process much more integrated. With Microsoft Fabric, we see the power of the analytics revolution, enabling collaboration between data scientists and engineers to be more natural and fluid. It breaks down those traditional silos, allowing teams to work together seamlessly. One of the key enablers here is the use of notebooks and pipelines. They make it easy to move from developing a model to deploying it into production without missing a beat. This smooth transition is crucial for maintaining agility and efficiency in our workflows. Another important aspect is experiment tracking. With MLflow integration, you can effortlessly log experiments, track results, and ensure reproducibility. This streamlines the entire process, so you spend less time on manual logging and more on refining your models. Delta Lake plays a vital role in storing features securely. It offers ACID transactions, which means data consistency, and supports features like time travel and schema evolution. This makes managing your feature data much more reliable and flexible. By using these tools, we eliminate the delays caused by context switching or data movement. Everything is in one place, making the development cycle faster and more cohesive. Finally, Fabric provides native support for Spark, Python, and popular ML frameworks like PySpark, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, all within the same environment as your data. This means you can use your preferred tools without compatibility concerns, streamlining your entire machine learning workflow. Now, let's focus on how to operationalize machine learning effectively, moving from a simple proof of concept to a robust production environment. One of the critical aspects here is continuous monitoring. It's essential to keep an eye on your model's drift and performance over time, ensuring they remain accurate and reliable in real-world conditions. Next, we have inference scoring, which involves using your models to make predictions either in batch mode or in real time, depending on your needs. This flexibility is key for different applications and use cases. Deploying models isn't a one-time task. It requires controlled staging and promotion. This means you can test new versions carefully, validate their performance, and then promote the best ones into production smoothly without disrupting your operations. Quality validation is another vital step. Automated checks help ensure that your models meet the necessary standards before they go live, catching issues early and maintaining trust in your analytics. Finally, scheduled retraining of models on fresh data keeps them current and relevant. This ongoing learning process helps your models adapt to new patterns and maintain high performance over time. All these steps together form a comprehensive approach to operationalizing machine learning, ensuring that your models deliver real business value reliably and sustainably. Now, let's explore how the analytics revolution with Microsoft Fabric is transforming data processing through advanced AI capabilities. First, we have speech services, which enable transcription, translation, and speaker identification. This means we can convert spoken language into written text, break down language barriers with translation, and even identify who is speaking in a conversation. Next, we see computer vision, which handles image classification, object detection, and optical character recognition, or OCR. These tools allow us to analyze images, recognize objects within them, and extract text from images, opening up a world of possibilities for automating visual data analysis. Then there's language understanding, which focuses on sentiment analysis, key phrase extraction, and entity recognition. With these, we can gauge the emotions behind text, identify important phrases, and recognize specific entities like people, places, or organizations, helping us derive meaningful insights from unstructured language data. Finally, we have embedded AI enrichment through cognitive services within data pipelines. This integration means we can embed all these AI capabilities directly into our data workflows, making our analytics not just powerful, but also seamless and efficient. Overall, these AI-driven tools are at the core of how Microsoft Fabric is enabling smarter, more intuitive analytics across all data types. Let's take a look at how these advancements are truly accelerating healthcare research. When we talk about faster time to insight, we're seeing a significant improvement in decision-making processes. This not only speeds up research, but also fosters new partnerships, as stakeholders can now collaborate more effectively. Thanks to AI enrichment, researchers can now focus more on deriving meaningful insights rather than spending their time wrangling data. This shift allows them to be more innovative and productive. One of the most striking results we've seen is a tenfold increase in research velocity. This means insights come much faster, enabling quicker decisions that can impact patient care and medical breakthroughs. In terms of accuracy, we've achieved a 98% precision in extracting entities from thousands of unstructured clinical notes daily. That's a game changer because it ensures the data we work with is reliable and actionable. And finally, in real-world applications, we've seen a healthcare startup reduce the time spent processing clinical notes from weeks down to just hours. By embedding cognitive services into their Fabric pipelines, they've dramatically sped up their workflows, which ultimately benefits patient outcomes. All these points demonstrate how AI enrichment is truly transforming healthcare research, making it faster, more accurate, and more collaborative. Now that we've covered the foundational concepts, let's look at some key takeaways as you embark on your AI journey with Microsoft Fabric. First, it's important to remember to scale wisely. Focus on high-value scenarios that can deliver the most impact, ensuring your growth is sustainable and efficient. This means not trying to do everything at once, but rather prioritizing opportunities that will truly move the needle. Next, embrace continuous innovation. The AI landscape is always evolving, so it's essential to keep your teams upskilled and foster a culture that is ready for ongoing transformation. Encouraging experimentation and learning will help your organization stay ahead. Starting your AI journey involves a few clear steps. Identify where AI can add value to your data, start with small, focused pilot projects, and measure their impact on both time savings and quality improvements. From there, scale carefully to those high-value scenarios we've talked about. Driving real business value means translating technical capabilities into measurable outcomes that give you a competitive edge. Remember, successful AI isn't just about technology. It's about strategic implementation that aligns with your business goals. Integration is also crucial. Native pipeline embedding allows automation at scale, making your processes more efficient and reliable. And don't forget, AI is becoming more accessible. Pre-built models mean you don't always need deep ML expertise to get started, lowering barriers and speeding your path to value. So, as you begin this journey, keep these principles in mind. Scale wisely, innovate continuously, start small but think big, focus on tangible business outcomes, and leverage integration and accessible tools to accelerate your success.